Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, where we explore the hidden stories and surprising values behind classic British coins. Today we are turning our attention to a true piece of pre-decimal history, the UK 2 shillings coin from the year 1956. If you enjoy discovering coins that may still be sitting quietly in drawers, old collections or inherited tins, then this is a video you will not want to miss. The 1956 2 shillings coin, also known as the Florin, represents an important chapter in Britain's monetary history. Struck during the early reign of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, this coin circulated at a time when the United Kingdom was rebuilding and moving confidently into a new era. The florin had long been a practical denomination, valued at 2 shillings, which equaled 1/10 of a pound. In many ways, it was ahead of its time, quietly preparing the public for the decimal system that would eventually arrive in 1971. On the obverse of the 1956 coin, we see the youthful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Mary Gillick. The Queen is shown uncrowned, facing to the right, wearing a simple laurel wreath. The surrounding Latin inscription reads, Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina FD, declaring her title by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This early portrait is especially admired by collectors because it captures the beginning of a historic reign. The reverse design features a crowned Tudor rose at the center, flanked by thistles and shamrocks, symbolizing the unity of the nations within the United Kingdom. The denomination, 2 shillings, and the date, 1956, frame the design with strength and clarity. The coin itself weighs approximately 11.31 grams and measures around 28.5 millimeters in diameter. It was struck in cupronickel, giving it a durable silver-like appearance suitable for heavy circulation. In circulating condition, which means the coin shows visible wear from everyday use, the finer details may appear softened. However, this wear often adds character, proving that the coin genuinely served its purpose in shops, markets and businesses across Britain during the 1950s. Culturally and historically, the 1956 2 shillings coin carries strong nostalgic value. It reminds many people of the old pounds, shillings and pence system, a system that defined British life for centuries. For collectors around the world, pre-decimal UK coins remain highly desirable because of Britain's global influence and the respected craftsmanship of the Royal Mint. The florin in particular holds a special place because of its balanced design and its practical value within the old monetary structure. In terms of rarity, the 1956 issue was produced in significant numbers, meaning it is not considered extremely rare in general circulation. However, condition is everything in the world of coin collecting. A well-preserved example with sharp details and minimal marks can command much stronger prices than a heavily worn piece. In today's market, a standard 1956 2 shillings coin in circulating condition may realistically sell for between $2 and $15 depending on overall eye appeal. Higher quality uncirculated examples can achieve $30, $50 or even more. At the same time, you may see dramatic listings online claiming values of $1,000, $2,500 or even $5,000 for rare variations or exceptional pieces. These figures, written clearly as $1,000, $2,500 or $5,000, are often ambitious asking prices rather than confirmed sales, yet they create excitement and highlight the growing interest in vintage British coins. This sense of high demand encourages collectors to carefully recheck their collections, searching for superior condition coins or unusual striking features. For anyone interested in collecting, the key is preservation and careful handling. Avoid cleaning the coin, as cleaning can reduce value significantly. Store it in a protective holder and keep it away from moisture. Examine the portrait details, lettering sharpness and overall surface quality. Even small improvements in condition can make a noticeable difference in price. The 1956 UK 2 shillings coin may appear simple at first glance, yet it carries deep historical roots, cultural meaning and steady collector demand. Whether valued at a few dollars or ambitiously listed in the thousands, it remains a proud symbol of Britain's pre-decimal heritage. Sometimes the most ordinary-looking circulating coin can hold the most fascinating story, and that is exactly what makes coin collecting so rewarding.